While playing in the backyard, a dog lost track of a squirrel, leading to a hilarious scene. The clever squirrel clung to a tree stump and rotated around it, staying hidden by moving to the opposite side whenever the dog approached. The dog, completely baffled but able to smell the squirrel nearby, spent over 5 minutes trying to figure out where it went. Finally, the owner called the dog away, allowing the crafty squirrel to make its escape after its amusing game of hide and seek.